So they're literally gonna go ahead and pay you 50 to 75% commissions to promote their product. So they did all the work and they're gonna pay you majority of the money, right?
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram in 2019 in 5 easy steps. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, first and foremost, the first step that you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and pick your niche. What is a niche? A niche is basically a category. What industry do you want to go ahead and actually create a business in, right? So if you want to make money on Instagram, do you want to go ahead and make money in the weight loss niche? Do you want to make money in the make money online niche? Do you want to make money in the romance niche, in the self-help niche, and the sports niche, talking about like golfing or talking about sports or talking about helping people jump higher? Guys, the importance of a niche is finding something that you're passionate about, number one, and finding something that solves problems. What do you love to talk about every single day? What do you love to read books on? What do you like to watch YouTube videos on? Like, what do you find yourself always invested in? If that's the thing that you love to do and you're obsessed with, and there are problems to be solved, then that is a good niche. Next, oh, and also money to be made, right? So if there's problems to be solved, there's money to be made. Next is step number 2 is you want to go ahead and actually find a product. So where I would go ahead and actually find a product, clickbank.com is one of them, JVZoo is one, and Max Bounty is one. Now, what are these places? These places are called affiliate networks. An affiliate network is somewhere where you can find an affiliate product. What is an affiliate product? What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you get paid to refer other people's products. So step number 2 is find a product. You don't have to find your own product. You don't have to create your own product. You can find a product that somebody else has created. So for example, if I go to affiliate marketplace on ClickBank, and I said before, JVZoo, Max Bounty, ClickBank, you can find these affiliate products that other people have created in their digital products. So they're literally gonna go ahead and pay you 50 to 75% commissions to promote their product. So they did all the work and they're gonna pay you majority of the money, right? So let's just show you guys different, if we look here, I'm gonna go to e-business and e-marketing because that's the niche that I'm in, but there's all these type of categories. You notice there was home and garden, self-help, romance, so on and so forth, fitness, computers, internet, all that extra stuff, right? But for example, I'm gonna do the super affiliate system for a specific reason. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But this one pays out $463. So if I go to promote here, it'll tell you how much commissions they're gonna go ahead and pay you. They're gonna go ahead and pay you 50% commission. So what this is a webinar that is willing to pay you 50% of $1,000 sale. That's why on average they're paying out $463. So that means you can make up to $400 in one sale. Now, with that being said, the next step is generating your hop link. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and create a hop link. That's basically my unique affiliate link, and you're gonna have to put in your account nickname. And these platforms have different ways to do it, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get your unique affiliate ID, or your link rather, and you're gonna start promoting that link, right? So that's what you're gonna be promoting on the internet, as well as leveraging Instagram to do that. So once you go ahead and do that, the next step, once you find your product, is number 3, set up sales automation. So if they're like a sales video, you don't want to send people directly to a sales video. Now this one specifically is a webinar, so you could send people directly to this. But if you guys want to go ahead and send people to if you guys want to sell people to a sales video, I would recommend creating a lead magnet first, which is something free, like a free ebook, a free training, a free PDF, so on and so forth. So you can capture people's email, their leads, and then eventually redirect them to the affiliate offer. I'm gonna show you guys an example in a second once we get to step number 5, right? But sales automation, so we're gonna wanna set up sales automation. This one specifically, if I go to what this one looks like, so simply sign up for the webinar, you go on the webinar, he's gonna pitch you a $1,000 product, and if you get people to actually go to this webinar, buy that $1,000 product, you're gonna go ahead and get paid $460 per sale, right? Now, step number 4 is, this is where Instagram comes in. You wanna go ahead and create content that is congruent with your niche. So for example, if I go on my account, Eric Ellis Jr., I create content, make money on Instagram, how I made 6 figures with one website, the key to balancing your side hustle. So 1400, how to sell anything. So I'm kind of testing content because I just started using this method right now. But on average, I'm making about maybe 800 views on my content. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. That's pretty good traffic, right? Now, another one, just to show you guys that I'm not the only person doing this, like Frank Kern is a marketer. He's one of the people that I actually learned this from, but he's creating content within the advertising niche. If you notice, he talked about branding versus advertising, so on and so forth. And then we have Nick Legend. He's creating content around just lifestyle and not lifestyle, more so like motivation stuff and just like practical stuff. Me and him are kind of creating similar content, Nick Legend. And guys, this works in any niche. I'm just showing you guys my niche because this is the niche where I study influencers. I really don't study influencers in other niches, but basically find those influencers in your niche that you decided to go with, and then model what they are doing, right? Model the type of content that they're creating. So here's another one, Millionaire Mentor. If you guys don't want to do the video route, he creates quotes. He talks about everything is going to be all right. Do you have the millionaire mindset, so on and so forth. But he's selling products. For example, he's selling watches right here, free watch. That's a free thing that's going to be backing up sales, so on and so forth, right? So that is basically the next step, creating content that is congruent with what you're going to sell. And then last but not least, step number 5 is a call to action. So I'm going to go to show you guys an example of online sales automation, which is basically a sales funnel like this. Now, for example, if you guys want to learn how to build these sales funnels, I'm not going to cover that in this video, but I do cover that in depth in my new course. You can go to ericsnewcourse.com and claim a 50% discount right now. But if we look here, I'm sending people to this free ebook. And then once they put their email in, there's going to be a bridge page. This is what a bridge page looks like. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be letting people know, hey, you requested more information on the free book. It's going to be on its way, but while you wait, check this out. And then I'm redirecting them to an affiliate offer. So I practice what I preach. Here's my affiliate offer that I'm promoting. Now, for example, Frank Kern is promoting CardoneKern.com. CardoneKern.com. If I go here, okay, it's working. So here's their sales process. Nick Legend is promoting on his content at the bottom of his content, profitwithnick.com. By the way, this is what call to actions look like. He clearly displays his website, and I'm pretty sure at the end, he has some sort of recommendation. So if you notice here, this is basically his call to action. His call to action is to go ahead and sign up for this webinar. Millionaire Mentor is currently promoting it's an Amazon webinar. So for example, guys, you don't have to sell your own product like these people. Like for example, I sell my own product. ericmoney.com this is what I'm promoting at the bottom of my content on Instagram. But first and foremost, my content is congruent with the product that I'm selling. That's the key point. But I'm driving people to this ebook, and then I'm selling people on the back end my products, right? But you can also sell affiliate products. So with that being said, guys, as stated before, if you guys want to go ahead and get access to learning about how to drive other traffic methods and learning how to actually build these sales funnels so that way you can automate your sales process, go to ericsnewcourse.com and get that 50% discount because the price is going up pretty soon. But if you guys want to know the 5 steps to making money on Instagram, right? It's simply, guys, pick a niche, find a product, set up sales automation, create content that is congruent with that, because we're going to be leveraging that attention and driving that traffic once we give them step number 5, our call to action, for them to actually look at whatever it is we're selling. And the whole point is making sure that it is congruent. Your content needs to be congruent, so that way when you're sending people over to your sales process, it's congruent. You don't want to be talking about weight loss content and then selling a make money online product. That just doesn't make sense. There's a disconnect. So with that being said, guys, that is the 5 steps to making money on Instagram. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, or you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.